Ever since I dreamt of becoming a pilot, I have waited for the day I would actually complete my flying training and wear those 3 bright golden stripes on my shoulders. To be very honest, it was a long journey, if not by time, but by the wonderful experiences that I have gotten from this ride. From my air experience to getting released solo to changing flying clubs, and finally, this day, I was about to fly my last training sortie. And with me, I had the 2 biggest pillars of my strength, my mom and my dad. And this video is dedicated to them.
तो मम्मी पापा आ गए एक्साइटेड
वेरी मच।
आखिरी फ्लाइट के लिए दोनों मम्मी पापा बिल्कुल रेडी होके आ गए। मेरे से ज़्यादा तो ये लोग
पॉलिश करके आया।
हाँ
जूता वूता पॉलिश करके आया।
मेरे से ज़्यादा तो ये दोनों एक्साइटेड है। तो अभी हम लोग हैं यहाँ पर, ये अपने विजिटर्स लाउंज है। पापा यही वाला जगह है जहाँ मैं शूट करता हूँ वीडियो, ये यहीं पर।
वेरी नाइस। जल्दी चलो, हमको प्री फ्लाइट भी करना है। चलो फटाफट चलो।
चलो ठीक है। एनीवेज राइट नाउ द मल्टी इज फ्लाइंग। वंस द मल्टी लैंड्स आई विल प्री फ्लाइट and then I will go and probably my parents will be there in the ATC. So yeah, it will be good. Baba, my parents are too busy seeing the flying that's happening here. So पापा वो एयरक्राफ्ट है, वो वाला पे मैं जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना?
चलो बेटा।
आप यहाँ से जो भी देखना है, जो भी करना है आप कर लीजिएगा। अगर फ़ोटोज़ लेना है, वीडियोज़ लेना है, ले लीजिएगा। लेकिन सुपर एक्साइटेड। तो वो हमारा जहाज़ है, अभी मैं प्री फ्लाइट करूँगा। पापा आप थोड़ा प्री फ्लाइट का भी वीडियो ले लीजिएगा, मेरा व्लॉग के लिए कंटेंट मिल जाएगा मुझे।
ठीक है चलो।
ठीक है चलो, बाय बाय।
चलो बाय
बाय।
अच्छा से फ्लाई करके हैप्पीली लैंडिंग करना।
हैप्पीली लैंडिंग ही होगा मेरा। चलो एनीवेज,
उसके बाद हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करेंगे।
हाँ
चलो बेटा।
ओके बाय बाय। ओके गोइंग, बाय बाय।
चलो बाय, हैप्पी लैंडिंग।
थैंक यू। ओके सर,
All the best.
thank you sir, thank you so much.
Paris.
It's such a mixed feeling yaar, literally going for my last flight. Parents there, look, they're there waving. Anyways, going for my last flight. That is the aircraft that I'll fly right now, and yeah, I'll quickly do my pre-flight and we're good to go.
Whiskey sir, request location.
Vector 85 Bravo.
That's Bravo sir, Alpha Whiskey.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much sir.
Whiskey Dhana,
Right sir.
congratulations beta, mommy is here.
Thank you so much Baba, thank you so much.
Congratulations, Chola.
So,
In 21 years of my existence on this earth, I have never felt any happier than the time my parents actually talked to me on the RT. It was as if all the hard work, all that I have been through my journey in aviation have been justified on this day. I still remember exiting that aircraft for one last time. looking at it and actually just going away from it and taking that walk to my parents. Everything was happening really fast and everything was happening exactly like the way I had planned. While everything was all good and a shower of congratulations was flowing all around, the first thing I said is,
चलो एपिलेट्स पहन लेते हैं.
it was the moment I have been really waiting for. To wear those 3 golden stripes on my shoulder. You know, it is very difficult to put in words what was going through me when those 3 stripes were being put on my shoulder by my parents. It was not only a sense of achievement for me, but I'm sure a big sense of achievement and pride for my parents, which I've given them. It was almost like a flashback of memories in my head. Right from the time in the 9th standard when I started researching about commercial flying as a profession, to this day when I was actually a commercial pilot.
Finally, 3 stripes. How do you feel? Papa, how do you like my landing?
वेरी मच वेरी स्मूथ लैंडिंग बेटा. दारुण अच्छा लैंडिंग था. बहुत अच्छा लैंडिंग था.
Thank you,
मम्मा
thank
कुछ
you.
बोलो.
Very good landing.
Thank you, but thank you. आप मतलब आप लोगों का सपोर्ट नहीं होता तो कभी नहीं. I keep on telling this. Without parent support, it's not possible.
अच्छा करो लाइफ में, अच्छा करो, आगे बढ़ो और
Thank you.
कैप्टन बनो जल्दी.
4th stripe টা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি দেখতে চাই.
Yeah, 4 stripes very soon. But right now, be satisfied with 3 stripes. In this particular dabba, there is a lot of rasgulla, authentic rasgulla. Papa has gotten from Kolkata. तो सबके लिए पूरा रसगुल्ला. तो अब इसको कैसे करना है पापा?
इसको ना बोल में डालना है. बोल में डाल के तुम सबका पास लेके जाओ. वो बोल में डालो पहले.
Done. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. अभी it's distribution time. तेरे 2 बनता है. और एक ले पहले वो खा. और एक ले. लाइक से सब्सक्राइब. So all the best and congratulations. है ना?
A lot of struggles, a lot of fun, a lot of learning, and a million memories later, today I am a commercial pilot. Thank you, Chimes Aviation Academy, for welcoming me to Chapter 1 of Aviation. This is the starting of Captain Sky, justifying the name Captain. Thank you so much for everything.